Did you know that some of the most important food crops for your whole year actually need to be planted in the dead of winter? January looks quiet in the garden, but underground, this is where food security begins. If you plant the right crops now, you can harvest fresh food for months. Some will store for a full year. Some will keep producing again and again. Today, I'm sharing 15 crops you should plant in January if you want to feed your family long term. These are practical, reliable, and proven by gardeners all over the world. Let's dig in. 1. Garlic. Garlic is one of the best survival crops you can grow. Planted in January in mild climates or anytime the ground isn't frozen solid, each clove becomes a full bulb. Garlic stores for 6 to 12 months if cured properly. It also boosts immune health and fights infections. Plant the cloves pointy side up about 2 inches deep. Then forget about it until summer. 2. Onions. Onions are pure food security. Plant seeds or sets in January in warm regions or indoors in colder zones. Storage onions can last 8 to 10 months. They are calorie-dense compared to leafy greens, and they form the base of almost every meal. Long day or short day types matter, so match them to your region. 3. Potatoes. Potatoes are one of the highest yield crops per square foot. Plant seed potatoes in January where winters are mild. One planted potato can give you 5 to 10 pounds of food. That's real calories, not just salad calories. Till the soil as they grow. Store harvested potatoes in a cool, dark place. 4. Fava beans. Fava beans love cool weather. January planting gives strong plants before heat arrives. They fix nitrogen in your soil, they're high in protein, and they store well dried. If you've never grown them, this is a great place to start. 5. Peas. Peas planted in January grow slowly but steadily. Shelling peas can be eaten fresh or dried for storage. Dry peas last over a year, they're easy to cook, and they add protein to soups and stews. Give them support early so they climb instead of sprawl. 6. Lentils. Lentils don't get enough love in home gardens, but they should. They grow in cool weather. They don't need rich soil, and they store for years when dried. Plant in January in mild climates or under cover. They're small plants with big nutrition. 7. Carrots. January carrots grow slower, but they grow sweeter. Cold soil improves flavor. Carrots store well in the ground or in sand. They're packed with vitamins, and kids usually love them. Loose soil is key. No rocks, no rush. 8. Beets. Beets are a 2-for-1 crop. You eat the roots and the greens. Plant in January for early spring harvests. Beets store for months in a root cellar or fridge. They're also very forgiving. Miss a watering. They keep growing. 9. Cabbage. Cabbage is one of the most underrated storage crops. Plant seeds in January indoors or in mild climates outside. A single cabbage feeds a family for several meals. Ferment it into sauerkraut and it lasts all year. Cold-grown cabbage is tighter and sweeter. 10. Kale. Kale laughs at cold weather. January planting gives strong plants that last all year. You harvest leaves again and again. It's one of the most nutrient-dense foods on Earth. If one crop had to survive neglect, kale would be it. 11. Spinach. Spinach planted in January grows slowly but reliably. Cold weather makes it sweeter. It's one of the first fresh greens after winter, and it freezes beautifully. Harvest outer leaves and let the center keep growing. 12. Leeks. Leeks are a long-term investment. Plant them in January and harvest months later. They handle cold. They store in the ground, and they add incredible flavor to meals. They're perfect for gardeners who like low-maintenance crops. 13. turnips. Turnips grow fast, even in cold soil. You get roots and greens. They store well. And they're great roasted, mashed, or added to soups. Plant them thick and thin later for baby greens. 14. Mustard greens. Mustard greens thrive in cold weather. January planting gives tender, spicy leaves. They grow fast. They're pest-resistant, and they're loaded with nutrients. Great for stir-fries and soups. 15. Perennial herbs. January is perfect for starting hardy perennial herbs. Once planted, they feed you for years. They require little care. They boost flavor. And they attract beneficial insects. Food security isn't just calories. It's nutrition and taste too. Extra tips. Always match planting dates to your climate zone, not just the calendar. Use row covers or mulch to protect young plants from frost. Focus on storage crops first, then fresh greens. Grow what your family actually eats. Healthy soil matters more than fancy tools. If this helped you plan your January garden, give the video a like. It really helps the channel grow. Subscribe if you want more practical gardening advice that actually works. And drop a comment below. Tell me what you're planting this January. Your future harvest starts right now.